Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to set up Shopify payments for your online store. Let's get started. First, log into your dashboard on Shopify. Next, click Settings at the bottom left of the screen. Then select Payments from the Settings menu. And under the Shopify Payments section, click Activate Shopify Payments. Now, fill in the required details such as your business information, banking details, and personal information. And after that, review everything and click Save. Once activated, your store will be able to accept payments from customers using your credit card and other supported payments method. And that's it. That's how you set up Shopify payments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.